Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a totally free Netflix subscription. This is really helpful if you want to watch Netflix without paying for a normal subscription. So as long as this option is available in your country. So let's not waste any time and get into the video. So first, you want to open up any browser on your device, then go to the search bar and type Netflix free trial. So once you search for that, you'll see that Netflix does not offer a free trial anymore. But there is a way to get Netflix for free. Now go back to search bar and this time type T-Mobile Netflix. And then after that, look for the link that says T-Mobile with Netflix and click on it. So once you click the link, you'll see that it won't be available in some countries. So what I do know is that it is available in the United States. So you can go ahead and choose your country on the page, and if it's available for you, then you're good to go. To actually get the free subscription, click on how do I activate, and then just follow the steps shown there. And that's how you can get a free Netflix subscription using this method. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for watching. And for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.